Dutch comic artist Steven de Groot published the comic Kwab en het Refrigeraat in 1994. The comic is now available in English for the first time. Steven redrew the whole story with new text. The book Kwab and the Fridgedair is now available as a hardcover and paperback on Amazon. Professor Dr. Anton Mole, a researcher and explorer of rare animals, finds Kwab Hippo in Africa and takes him to his villa in the remote Sibbelin Valley. Here he tries to raise Kwab. Anton Mole leaves for another exhibition and asks Kwab to look after the villa. An explosion follows and the Sibbelin Valley is covered with a thick layer of snow in the middle of summer. The detective duo Oaks-Tootle tries to unravel the mystery. The book is a text comic. Text comics are a form of comics where the stories are told in captions below the images and without the use of speech balloons. It's the oldest form of comics and was incredibly dominant in European comics from the 19th century until the 1960s. The book version of Kwab and the Fridgedair is published as a picture book. In this way the images are printed in a larger format and is easier to read. Kwab and the Fridgedair is now available on Amazon as a paperback and hardcover. You find links below this video.